everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now this video today is part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignettes, and who's hosting? Design with Emma, myself, the Grace Life DIY home decor. We have Secondhand Tracy Ann, Dream with Caroline, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and May's Design Corner. All right, so let's start out here with the first tier. This is my cozy corner that I decorated here in my dining room. So the first tier has this beautiful lantern. Okay, that's how I decorated that one. Then we come down to the second tier, and this is a DIY, okay? One of my fall DIYs, along with my pumpkin and the florals. They came from Michael's. Then we have this beautiful candle here. This pillow candle came from the Dollar Tree. So this is tier number 2. Okay, now this was a beautiful gift I just received for my birthday. It is gorgeous. You know how I love my white florals. This is my little Kirkland Blackbird, and that is tier number 3. Then on the 4th tier, I have a DIY with some pine cones and that beautiful bird. I love the color. All of it reminds me of fall, so this is that was a great DIY. Okay, and then in the last tier, I have that beautiful little house that I thrifted along with the cross that says He is risen. That is beautiful. So let's take one other look, and then we'll go to the reveal. All right, so here we are at the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.